Hi, this is Dr. Ajithkumar, Assistant Chief Physician, Apollo AyurVAID, Chennai. We are getting a lot of cases called avascular necrosis these days. So, what is an avascular necrosis? Vascular is a term representing a blood circulation to a particular area. So, avascular necrosis is usually named as a disease caused by the obstruction of the blood circulation to a bone tissue, subsequently affecting the massive cell death of the bone cells in that area, subsequently causing a necrosis or a massive damage to that particular bone tissue. Actually, this slowly degenerates the joint and causes a massive damage that makes the joint not usable, and this is an extremely painful condition. Usually the hip joint, the most weight bearing hip joints are affected because the blood circulation to this area as per the anatomy itself is a little bit trickier and complicated. If avascular necrosis can be identified before it get into a massive damage of the bone tissue, by medication, by certain kriyas, the circulation can be re-established, identifying the cause of the issue, and the circulation can be re-established and the joint can be saved, which will be subsequently followed by Ayurveda therapies like Navara Kizhi and Kayasekam, or deconducive. If there is an edema in that area, there is a Lepam application, medicinal bandages and all applications in that area, followed by Panchakarma therapies like Vasti. What causes this avascular necrosis? It can be an alcoholism, it can be a trauma, it can be any disease that causes a circulatory blockage like atherosclerosis, or anything that forms a clot formation, or even a certain kind of medicine usages, smoking. All these things can be a causative factor to avascular necrosis. So, if we are able to see the patient before it is much late, we will be able to save the joint and re-establish circulation and save the bone tissue and the joint. Even after the hip replacement, even after the joint replacement, patient needs a care to maintain the joint, the connected bone tissue where the artifacts are being fixed, for which Ayurveda will be able to help.